Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Mac. In today's video, I want to show you how to connect the CarPlay interface to this EVO head unit. This is the original EVO display and the radio head unit. The iDrive knob here, you can see this is the EVO menu here. And this is the CarPlay box here, EVO, and this is the power cable and the LVDS here, USB connector and USB-AUX adapter and the Wi-Fi antenna. Now I want to show you how to connect this CarPlay box to this head unit and have a demo. Now we power off and disconnect the cables. This is the LVDS here, okay? And this is the power cable. Connect the female connector to the radio head unit. Okay, and this is male connector. Connect to original power cable. Please notice, if your car have the optical fiber in this port, then you need to move the optical fiber to the here connector here. There are two holes that's ready for optical fiber. So the optical fiber can continue to work as before. This is very important. Okay. The power cable is connected, and now we connect the LVDS. This is CarPlay box LVDS, right? Connect to the radio head unit. And the other side is connect to the CarPlay box. LVDS in here. Okay. And the original LVDS, you can see here. It is the video cable on the back of the original display. So we connect this end to the CarPlay box. LVDS out here. That's fine. Make sure the connection is great. Okay. Now, because the EVO model, the sound go through the USB. So on the power cable, you can see there's a cable like this here, just like this. This is the audio cable here, and we offer a USB-AUX adapter here, connect like this, and this end connect to the AUX under the armrest box. Here you can see the radio head unit. This is the USB. You can see this connector in the armrest box. So connect it. So it will have the sound when you play the CarPlay. Okay, and sure we need to connect the power for the CarPlay box. And you might notice there's a cable here. It has a label. Audio ground. It means connect to the ground for the audio. Okay, we need connect to the ground. You can connect to the a screw, then will be fine. Wireless antenna, it must connect it here. There are USB here. I connect it. You can use the wire connection for the Android Auto here. And these are the cables for the backup camera and front camera and many others here. Okay, everything is connected, and we need to make sure the pins setting here. 1, 2 is turned on. The other one is turned off here. Okay. Okay, now we power on. Here. Make sure the setting here. You must choose this one, USB-AUX. Because the sound go through the USB, so we need to choose this. And press this button. Hold this button, menu button, for 2 seconds. It will get into the CarPlay menu here. CarPlay. This is Android Auto. Auto link, USB, camera, setup, and menu here. Now we want to connect the CarPlay. Here, this is the iPhone, right? You must turn on the Bluetooth. Here. Turn on the Wi-Fi to use wireless CarPlay. Okay, turn on the Wi-Fi. You can see this is the CarPlay keeps. Here. It have connect to the phone. Okay. Everything is okay. It have the sound, right? Okay.
Siri requires an internet connection.
Okay. And you can here.